Have you been seeing people online talk about digital products and you're wondering what the heck is digital products? How are these people making all of this money? Well, in today's video, y'all, I'm going to give you 10 digital product ideas that you can begin starting with so that you can generate income. So first, I want to tell you guys exactly what a digital product is. A digital product is going to be something you can sell where you don't have to ship it. It doesn't require you to have inventory, and all you have to do is literally create it one time and sell it over and over and over again. Now, I know you're saying, that sounds too good to be true. What the heck is that? Well, stick around, because right now I'm going to give you guys 10 digital product ideas that you can get started with so that you can take the guesswork out of digital products. I'm going to give you these 10 digital product ideas, but you guys, you still need to make sure that you have a niche to go into, which a niche is going to be something that you're talking about every single day. So for instance, a niche can be in the fitness industry, it can be in the finance industry, it can be in the health industry, the wealth industry. Literally, these are the industries that's making the most money. It's going to be your fitness journey, you know, the health part of life. It's going to be the wealth part of life, and it's going to be the relationship advice. These are the top 3 niches currently right now. But you guys, you don't have to only do it in those industries. You can also get into the food industry as well, because you know we have to eat, right? You know, so you guys, I have this written down because I want this video to be short, straight to the point. And the 10 digital product ideas is going to be ebooks, which your ebooks are going to be basically like a PDF file, which is a book. It's still a book, but it's a PDF file. It's something that can be written in a book form, but you're going to send it to them directly to their email through a PDF file from uploading it that way. The second thing is going to be a printable. A printable can be like planners, affirmation cards. It can be a checklist for something, you know. So right now we're in the season where we literally have 4 more months left before the year is out, which we're in September right now, right? So because of this is the time of the year where a lot of people begin to purchase planners for next year. So you have 4 months. We're in the first month already out of those 4, but you can start selling planners. It's the time of the year where people get serious about their life. We're at the end of this year, so you have people ready to start buying planners because they just go crazy, okay? So we realize because of this, you can have authority in a certain topic, or you can just be someone who has a planner, a website full of nothing but planners. If you need assistance with that, you guys, I do have planners down below that you can grab to resell. It's an additional 200 planners, okay? Now the third thing is going to be the Canva templates, which are social media templates, resumes, business flyers. When it comes to social media templates, people want to have good looking social media platforms. You have people who are literally selling social media templates in order for your page to look presentable, in order for it to look aesthetic. Now, at one point of time, Instagram ran off aesthetics, but now you guys, you don't have to have aesthetics, but you still have some pages that are aesthetic pleasing to the eye. Which I can say that a lot of people, they look at different visuals and they're like, hey, I need that, you know, I love that. So you could be someone who wants to create social media templates for people to use onto their Instagram page so that they're able to have that aesthetic feel on their Instagram page for someone who's viewing their content. Comes to the business flyers, you have people who are in the wealth industry who still needs that. Again, we have 4 more months before the year is out. So right now, a lot of people who are in the tax industry, they're pushing like crazy. They want people to see what it is that they have to offer in the tax industry. So you're seeing a lot of flyers being presented. That's something that you can get creative with, and you can begin to help these businesses who are pushing that kind of content by making their business flyers for them. And if you need assistance with generating these flyers, you guys, all you have to do is go on Canva. You can literally create these flyers and you can start asking business owners, hey, can I help you create this? You know, because a lot of business owners, they're looking for people who can help them delegate their tasks. I'm a business owner full-time, right? And I hate having to create certain things. So I'm willing to pay people to get it done for me, especially if it looks good. So because people in the tax industry are needing these flyers and they need them consistently, that's where your business, if you decide to go this route, can actually help them. You can say, hey, I can give you 30 days of business flyers for you to promote for this certain price, you know. And if you need assistance, all you have to do is get on Canva and you can ask ChatGPT, hey, help me come up with 30 sayings or whatever for the tax industry so that I'm able to create these flyers in Canva for this business, okay? The fourth digital product that you can create is going to be workbooks or guides. That's going to be like self-care workbooks. You have the fitness care workbooks. Like, people are literally trying to get out of toxic relationships. They're trying to get more into being a fitness girl. They want to get a daily routine. You can create self-care routines to help people so that they're able to start making sure every single day they're checking off this, you know. So that's what's going to come into play when it comes to workbooks or guides. If you already have a PDF file where you're teaching them, you know, the 7 steps on how to have a good self-care routine, now you can sell the workbook on the side of that. That's going to help them to be able to write down every single day of whatever it is that you're telling them in your ebook to journal down every day in order for them to get to the next level. So that's actually 2 digital products that you can make money from. The first one is going to be the PDF file that you're selling. The second one is going to be the workbook that's going to go along to that PDF file that you're selling. So for someone who wants to get into that industry, that will be very effective, y'all, because we need to get our mind right, okay? Fifth digital product you can sell is going to be stock photos or graphics. That's going to go kind of hand in hand with what we talked about with the Canva templates. The only difference is, instead of you just doing it for social media, you can actually sell photos that people want. So just say, for instance, like this right here, let me show you guys. So I'm in my office, and as you can see, you know, you have these photos: dream big, work hard, stay positive. All of these are things that I wanted to hang up on the wall. So all of these are things that I wanted to hang up on my wall. So what you can do is create this kind of look, feel, pictures, whatever you want to call it, inside of Canva. But you guys, you can also sell it on Amazon, okay? Although I'm teaching you about digital products, you can literally get an Amazon store account and you can begin selling different things like this, and Amazon will print it off for you and they will get a piece of how much you make. But I can't remember, because it's been a while since I looked on Amazon for that. But you're able to sell these things on Amazon, and Amazon will take care of all of the shipping and everything for you. Now, the only downside about that, if you were to go that route, is you do not have access to know who your customers are who are purchasing for you. Amazon takes care of everything. They collect the email and all of that. So what you could do in this situation is for you to sell just the PDF of how this look, you know, the stock photos, so that they're able to print it out themselves. If they want to go to Walmart, Walgreens, if they have an in-home printer, they're able to still get that look and put it into a canvas or however they want to do it, okay? The 6th digital product is going to be digital courses. Mini courses. The mini courses are basically a short, simple, to the point course. I have a mini course, you guys. The mini course that I sell is going to be about PLR. I teach you guys exactly how to start your digital product business in 24 hours, literally, with my mini course. I give you the step-by-step. I give you what to sell. You have a whole done for you PLR vault, where you're able to go inside that vault and choose something that I have in there, and you're able to sell it as your own. All you have to do is make it look like your own with the colors, fonts, however your brand is, to make it feel as if it's yours. Put your name on it and resell it. So that's just a hint. If you want to, you know, go ahead and get started with your digital product business, y'all, I have that down below. My mini course is $37. So with a mini course, you're basically just helping someone in a short course. You're not putting together this big old long course that's going to take them 10 hours to get through. You want to be short, simple, and to the point. But inside that course, you want to make sure that you're solving a specific problem. If I'm someone who has a habit of spending money inside this course, I can teach you how to get on a fast track budget within the next 30 days. I need that, y'all. You know, look, if I'm someone who's trying to stop spending money and I see you telling me you go help me get on a fast track budget in 30 days, I'm going to grab that, because I know one thing is going to help me in 30 days get on this fast track budget. Okay, so that's how you want to do with a mini course. A mini course is basically just solving a specific problem. It's not you being all broad, it's not you going around the whole world to get to the point. It's literally solving a specific problem. The seventh thing that you can sell for a digital product is going to be an audio file. This is going to be guided meditations, affirmations, music loops. Literally, y'all, listen. Every morning, I try my best to get onto YouTube and I try to feed my brain with something positive after I listen to the word of the day, and I make sure I spend my time with God. But listen, I get on YouTube and I make sure I listen to these affirmation songs, and they are so freaking positive. Wait, let me let y'all listen to one. So yeah, y'all, those are the different things that I like to listen to. So you can actually create this yourself, you know, and you can sell it. It's an audio file. You can sell it. You know, that's just one way for you to get on there. So if you started a YouTube channel, or if you started a Instagram page or whatever around positive affirmations, that's something that you can sell. I ain't even think about that, you know, because I love it. Like, I love getting on there and I love listening to the positive. You know, I like to attract what's meant for me, and I like to keep a level head, and I like to listen to things that's going to help me to stay where I need to stay. And that's on this $1 million grind. Okay, so yeah, y'all, audio files, that's going to be the guided meditations, affirmations, money loops, basically an audio that you're selling. Okay, the 8th digital product that you can sell is going to be spreadsheets and trackers. So again, going back to the money industry, when it comes to budget spreadsheets, habit trackers, those are things that you're gonna have in a file like this right here. This is my YouTube content calendar, but you're gonna, this can be a spreadsheet. You know, you can have a spreadsheet, you can have a tracker, because I had to print this out. This is literally my content calendar so that I'm able to stay on track. You can sell things like that, because I'm a visual person. I love to see things. I love to see things written down. Okay, so because I love to see things written down, I would be one of those people who would buy a spreadsheet or a habit tracker in my niche. Okay, so that's something that you can sell as well. The 9th thing is going to be a membership content. This is going to be exclusive content, templates, or downloads that you sell in a monthly subscription. So let's just say, for instance, if you did decide that you wanted to do a mini course, and you say, I have so much information that I want to give them, I need more time. You can start a monthly membership course in order for you to get that out there. I'm pretty sure you've probably been seeing a lot of people start school memberships, and that's because within the school platform, you're able to post content that's going to help them, and you're able to charge a monthly subscription for it. So if you decided, you know, hey, I have too much content and I need to make sure that they get everything that I know about budgeting, then guess what? You can start a school membership where you're able to charge them $50 per month in order for you to give them this monthly breakdown within the budget industry, or whatever industry you decided to go into. That's what you're going to do. So membership contents, that's basically for someone who has a lot to offer. So you may say, I need to break this down into steps. I need to break this down into different pillars within what I'm talking about, that may be the route that you need to take. And you can do that on Stan Store, or you can use Skool, because I have seen a lot of people get on Skool and start teaching. Now, I haven't got on Skool, but I am a part of a few communities on Skool. So that may be something that you're interested in if you're someone who has a lot of knowledge and you want to break it down into a monthly subscription. Every single month, you will just upload more content within your actual Skool community or on your Stan Store community, so that you're able to continue to help your community learn more and more and more. Okay, so the 10th thing is going to be my favorite when it comes to digital products, and that's going to be the PLR products, private label rights. What you're doing is basically using pre-made products that's already done for you, and you're reselling it as your own brand. PLR is private label rights, meaning you have the rights to resell it, to make it as your own, to add to it, take from it, and put your name on it in order for you to sell it. Now, if you're looking for a PLR done for you digital product, you guys, you can literally go down below and you can grab my PLR mini course. This course literally teaches you guys how to make your first 10K. I'm giving you step by step of how to get your digital products launched within the next 24 hours. And you already have everything you need in the vault. So on the 3rd module, I give you a vault that's full of done for you PLR products for you to choose from. I'm showing you how to set it up in your Stan Store, and all you have to do, y'all, is just rebrand it to make it look like your own. So you can change the colors on it, you can add your name to it, your name, your business name, or whatever. If you want to give it away as a freebie so that you can collect emails for your email funnel, you can do that as well. So it's basically up to you on how you do it. But this course is only $37, and next week, y'all, the course is going up because there's so much inside of the course, and I'm giving you guys everything you need to do. All you have to do is just walk step by step of what I'm telling you to do. I'm holding your hand through this mini course, and I'm guiding you and assisting you on how to get started with your PLR digital product business. So if you're looking to make your first 10K before the year is out, make sure you grab that now while you can get it for $37, okay? Because literally in 4 months, I was able to make my first 10K from selling PLR done for you digital products. So I wanted to help you guys and tell you everything that I learned on my journey so that you can have what you need to get your first 10K as well. What would 10K do for you right now? Because it's almost a season where we're about to start spending so much money because of the fact at the end of the year, everybody spend money. You got Christmas, you got Thanksgiving, you got Halloween. Like, all of these holidays are approaching. So I'm sure 10K can be very useful for you. So if that's something you desire to do and you're ready to get started, down below in my comments as well as in my description, you can find that link to that course. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you need me to help you with any of these digital product ideas that I gave you on today, make sure you let me know down below which one sounds more of your speed so that I can make a video tailored directly to that specific digital product.